Folks, Adam here, and I just want to show you something real quick about AdSense, about making money online in general. So I'm gonna go right here, return to AdSense because I was here like a minute ago. So I'm gonna go back so you guys can see what's going on. All right, that's me to credentials. Of course, I'm gonna hide that up. So yep, loading, 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 loading. Yep, there you go. Okay, so as you can see, this is not big money, but this is actually money. This is cash money that Google is paying me, for using a system. So basically, yeah, for using AdSense. I guarantee you that I know people. There are a lot of people out there that have that use are using this system and they're not making any money. You know, so so there you go. You see right here it says 424.96. So far. And last month I made 31 dollars. And sorry, today so far I made $3.53. I promise you, like by the end of this day, this will be like $4 or $5. You know what I mean? And this is what happens every day. Since I've set up this system, it's it's from let's say from 50 cents to actually $5. I have made some $6, some $7 a day. You know, you know, and the system that I've set it up to only I've only set up three systems. And it's making this money. Imagine if you make like 100 system. You know, this is the big picture that you guys have to see. If you make the system that I'm about to show you bigger, if you have like 100 of them, imagine how much money you could make. And I'm telling you, I have a job, and this is something that I do on the side, and anybody can do it. It's actually easy, and I want to show you. I want to teach you how to do that. So it's up to you. Um, Check out the link in the description, and just go up to my website, and we see each other over there. All right, take care.